So this is what I've done so far here inside. You can see that it's all clean up. That's the dining table. And the fans is already cleaned up and all the wires checked. But obviously I need more bulbs and put up the cover on it to make it to match the wall lights. But so far, this is what I've done. I'm quite fascinated how many people are emailing me asking about the updates, what I do this, what I do that. A bit more about the personality of me than the actual channel. So I will be making more videos that will relate to my some personal stuff. So you can see that it's all clean up. I'm gonna put some bar stools obviously on the front of the bar. And this is the dining table that I bought, that I made a video on. So those are the curtains. And here I'm gonna refurbish those outside light that I still put here on the counter because I'm gonna sand it and repaint it before I put it back. But here you can see this is like the lounge area. I still need to get some more furnitures and appliances like TV here. Though I want to make that the guests that gonna stay here will be so comfortable that they don't wanna leave. Okay, no. At least they have a good experience how living in my guest house. Although I must admit, it costs more money than I anticipated, but I enjoy doing it. So here, I got the flimsy curtains because so you won't get so dark and you can still see the view. And this is the porch, the balcony where you can see the view at night. And you got the trees, big trees beside you, so I think you can hear the crickets. And even the birds there that live on those trees. See, you can see the silhouette. I think you can just see the silhouette of the trees, but you can see them in the daylight. So at night, you can see the lights of the city. There. It's a bit cloudy. Sometimes the lights get so bright. So this all needs to be sanded and clean. Only the railings needs to be repainted, of course, little sanded. And also the outside light that I was talking about, that's gonna be here on the walls. That's in the bar right now because I'm gonna sand it and all that. And those refurbished old furniture, the table and chair will be here. The round table and chair. So will be here. So they have somewhere to sit down when they want to see the view or just even want to dine in outside. Looking at the view, dine al fresco instead of inside the house. So I will be making more videos as requested about more related to my personal stuff. And this is the latest update of the guest house. I'm almost there. It's mostly outside work and in here just a touch of this and a touch of that, but it's all painted, all ready to go. And these lights just need more bulbs, but it's all checked and ready to go on, and just need more new bulbs. And a little bit of furniture, although you can see what I got here. Although on that round table, I need to get the glass on top, but you can see what we got here. So it's all just ready, just a few things more, and it's all gonna be done. That will be the little lounge area, although the lounge area can extend to the balcony, because if they want to see the view. And so that's it. That's my latest update of my guest house. So this is the tiling that we done so far here on the porch in the front. And you can see I also used the tiles for skirting. Although a viewer was suggesting that why didn't I tile it? It's more cheaper to have it painted. But I like the tiles because it will last longer than just painted with epoxy. So I instructed Jonelle to put the skirting with the matching tiles on it, on the wall, so it would look nicer. And this is how they done on the round column. So this is how we gone so far here on our tiling on the front porch. We leave a gap there for like an edging of golden pebbles to match the tiles, slanting towards the drain. So there are some concern that they're gonna trip over. Someone will gonna get tripped over here towards the drain, so the drain needs to be raised up. No, there will be a slanting curve made of those pebble stone in white cement towards the drain. So slanting, following the curve here in the porch. This is the light on the porch as of the moment, but I'm thinking of replacing this to match the light here on the front, on the column. If you see this design of the light here on the column doesn't match the light here in the middle, but I'm gonna get something here that will match these two on the side column. So that will be done in a few days time.